Alright, so today we are going to do some questions on gas laws, right? So पिछले वाली सेक्शन में हमने क्या किया था लेक्चर में? We had done all the gas laws. हमने Boyle's law किया, then we did the Charles law, we did the Gay-Lussac's law. So and also we did the gas equation. Based upon that, we are going to discuss a few questions today. Now, when we are looking at the question, हमारी सबसे पहले priority क्या रहती है? To see what is given to you in the question and what is going to be asked. ठीक है? Depending upon that, we are going to put the formula. For example, the first question which we have is a gas cylinder containing a cooking gas can withstand a pressure of 14.9 atmosphere. The pressure gauge of the cylinder indicates 12 atmosphere at 27 degrees centigrade. Due to a sudden fire in the building, the temperature starts rising. At what temperature will the cylinder explode? So in this, P1 is given to us as 12, P2 is given to us as 14.9, T1 is given to us as 27 degrees centigrade, which has to be converted into Kelvin. So it is 300 Kelvin, and T2 that is have to be calculated. So we are going to use the Gay-Lussac's law over here. P1 upon T1 that is equal to P2 upon T2. P1 की वैल्यू इससे हमें T2 कैलकुलेट करना है. तो let's first write down the expression in that manner only. This is going to be your equation. ठीक है? So हमारे पास अब क्या आ गया? The value of P2 given to us is 14.9. This can be approximately taken as 15. The value of temperature is given to us as 300. ठीक है? And P1 given to us is 12. Right? So when we are doing this calculations, अब यहाँ पे हमने 14.9 की जगह 15 दिया है. So this will make our calculations a little easier. We will get the answer to the nearest approximation over here. ठीक है? So ये हमारे पास आ गया 4s are 12, 100, 25, right? So जब आप इसको calculate करोगे, then how much are you getting? You will get a whole number of 373. Approximately this is what you are going to get. 373. Now ये हमको Kelvin में आ रहा है. We have to convert it into degree Celsius. Because over here in the question it is degree Celsius. But please if it is a multiple choice question तो उसमें आप पहले देख लो कि यूनिट हमको क्या दिया गया है. ठीक है? If it is degree Celsius तो आप कन्वर्ट करोगे. अगर केल्विन में ही रख सकते हैं तो आप केल्विन में ही रख सकते हो. ठीक है? So degree Celsius में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? 373 minus 273, which is 100 degree Celsius. The answer coming over here is 99.5. So it is approximately equal to 100 degrees Celsius. ठीक है? So this is how you are going to do this question. Let's go to question number 2. What is question number 2? A 1000 ml sample of a gas at minus 73 degrees Celsius and 2 atmosphere is heated to 123 degrees Celsius and the pressure is reduced to 0.5 atmosphere. What will be the final volume? Now in this question, pressure has been given to us, volume has been given to us and temperature is also given to us. So we are going to use the ideal gas equation P1 upon T1 that is equal to P2 upon T2. Now let's identify कि P1 हमें क्या दिया हुआ है. P1 given to us that is 2 atmosphere. ठीक है? उसके बाद V1 given to us is 1000 ml and T1 given to us is minus 73 degrees Celsius. So that will be equal to 273 minus 73. So that will come to 200 कितना आएगा? हाँ 200 Kelvin. That will come as 200 Kelvin. ठीक है? फिर उस पर P2 हमको दिया हुआ है. We are saying that pressure has been reduced to 0.5 atmosphere. That is going to be P2. V2 we need to calculate. And T2 given to us that is 123 degrees Celsius. So it means 123 plus 273. ठीक है? This will come to 400. ऐसे it is not coming to 400. अगर आप इसको देखो तो ये आ जाएगा 3 और 3 6 7 into 9 396 Kelvin. ठीक है? Now approximately what we can do is कि we can take this as 400 Kelvin. so as to get the nearest answer. So let's take this as 400 Kelvin. ठीक है? Is it clear? So let's put the equation P1 V1 upon T1, that is equal to P2 V2 upon P2. Let's put the values. P1 में दिया है 2 atmosphere, V1 is 1000 upon T1 given to us is 200. Now because we have to calculate T2 over here, so T2 can go ऊपर 400 and P2 can come in the denominator. So P2 given to us is 0.5. That is going to be equal to V2. ठीक है? So let's calculate because हमने यहाँ पे we've taken it as a whole number. Our calculation becomes very easy. ये आ गया हमारा 2 और यहाँ पे 5 आ रहा है. This will come to 0.25. ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास 1000 आ रहा है and this is 0.25. The answer of this that is going to come in 8000 ml. Okay, so this is going to be your answer. So यहाँ पे you can take 396 or if you want to minimize the calculations you can take it as 400. Clear हो गया? Let's go to question number 3. Question number 3 क्या है? Question number 3 is a sample of gas occupies a volume of 512 ml at 20 degrees centigrade and 74 centimeter of mercury as pressure. What volume will this occupy at STP? At STP you have to take the pressure as 76 centimeter. क्योंकि आपको P1 76 सेंटीमीटर में दिया हुआ है तो P2 भी 76 सेंटीमीटर लेना है, मतलब you have to take it in centimeters. ठीक है? Now अगर आपको प्रेशर एटमॉस्फेयर्स में दिया जाता तो STP पे जो प्रेशर की वैल्यू थी that would have been 1 atmosphere. If it was given in torr, then the value of pressure at STP that is 760 torr. ठीक है? And if it is given in pascals, then the value that is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power 5 pascals. So these are the values of pressure in different units at STP. So let's see what is given to us in the question. P1 given to us is 74 centimeter. T2 given to us is T1 given to us is 20 degrees Celsius, which means 20 plus 273. That is 293 Kelvin. Then volume for the first one, P1 is given to us as 512. Similarly now P2 is not given to us, but they have put a statement that you have to consider it at STP. So in centimeter, the value is going to be 76 centimeter of mercury. ठीक है? And temperature at STP is taken as 273. And V2 we need to calculate. So again we put the gas equation. P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. So P1 हमारा आ गया 74, V1 is 512 upon 293, right? Now we have to calculate V2 over here. So T2 will go in the numerator, 273, and V2 will come down in the denominator, 76. This is equal to V2. Okay? So when we calculate the value of V2 over here, that is coming to 464.5. 464.5 ml. ठीक है? Clear? Then let's go on to question number 4. What is question number 4? 3.7 grams of a gas at 25 degrees centigrade occupy the same volume as 0.184 gram of hydrogen at 17 degrees centigrade and at the same pressure. What is the molecular mass of the gas? Now in this case, we have been given two gases. So let's say first of all, let's write down an expression for hydrogen. Okay, we know that according to gas equation PV is equal to nRT, ठीक है, और N can be written as W upon mRT. Okay, now in this case pressure and volume they both are going to be same, so इसको हम PV ही रहने देते हैं, right? The value of temperature is different and the value of W is also different and M is also different. Weight of hydrogen given to us, it is how much? 0.184. So let's put the value. Molecular mass of hydrogen is 2. R is going to be a constant, so let it be as R. Temperature given to us is how much? 17 degrees Celsius. So 17 degree plus 273. It is going to come as 290. Right? Now for the other gas, same expression, PV that is equal to W upon M RT. PV same है, W जो यहाँ पे हमको दिया है that is 3.7, molar mass हमको calculate करना है, R, temperature given to us over here that is 25 degree centigrade, so that makes it 298. ठीक है? Now in this case this PV will be equal to this PV, so both these equations can be equated, right? Because pressure and volume for both the gases are same. So this will be equal to this, therefore this becomes equal to this, right? So what do we have? We have 0.184 R 290 upon 2, right? That is equal to 3.7 into R into 298 upon M. यहाँ पे into लिखा लो, don't get confused, this is multiplication. So R and R that is going to get cancelled over here. What is going to be the value of M? M will become equal to 3.7 into 298 into 2 upon 0.184 into 290. ठीक है? So when you calculate the value over here, that is coming to 41.33. So this is how you were supposed to do this question. 41.33 is the molar mass of the other gas. Understood? Let's go to question number 5. What is question number 5? Question number 5 है, what is the pressure of HCl gas at minus 40 degree centigrade if its density is 8 kg per meter cube and the value of R is given to us. Now for an ideal gas, we know that PV is equal to nRT, ठीक है? We also know that N is equal to WRT upon M, or we can write this as pressure is equal to W upon V RT upon M, right? Mass given upon volume, that is density, so your equation now becomes dRT upon M. Okay, so what all is given to us in the question over here is what is the pressure? Pressure we have to calculate at minus 40 degree centigrade if its density is given to us as 8. ठीक है? Now remember over here that density is given to us in kg. So the molar mass of HCl also has to be taken in kg. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे 8 आ गया. Value of R they have given to us is how much? 8.314. ठीक है? And temperature given to us is how much? Minus 40. So minus 40 plus 273, that will make it 233. Molar mass of HCl 35.5 plus 1 36.5. ये ग्राम्स में है, इसको हमको kg में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो we will take 10 raised to power minus 3, right? So now when you are going to calculate this, the answer of pressure that is coming as 424.58 into 10 raised to power 3 pascals. So this is going to be the answer. 424 into 5.8 into 10 raised to power 3 Pascal. या आप अगर डेसिमल को शिफ्ट करना चाहो तो 4.24 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascals. ठीक है? और अगर यही आपको ऑप्शन एटमॉस्फेयर्स में दिया होगा, then atmospheres में it will become 4.25 atmospheres when you're converting Pascals into atmospheres. Clear हो गया? Okay, then let's go to question number 6. What is question number 6? Sixth question है a balloon. This is the payload question which we had done yesterday. A balloon of diameter 20 meter weighs 100 kg. Calculate the payload if it is filled with helium at 1 atmosphere and 27 degrees centigrade. Density of air is 1.2 kg per meter cube and R की value is also given to you. Now over here we have to first calculate the mass of the balloon. For that, let's calculate the volume of the balloon. We assume that the balloon it is a sphere, so the volume of the balloon that will be given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. ठीक है? So ये आ जाएगा 4 by 3 into value of pi is 3.14 and radius given to us is how much? Diameter is 20, so radius will be 10. Okay, so we have 10 ka cube which is equal to 1000. So when you calculate the volume over here, the volume that comes to 4190.47 meter cubes. Right? Then from here we will calculate the mass. We know that density is equal to mass upon volume. So what will be mass? That will become equal to density into volume. Density has been given to us as how much? Density is given as 1.2. So 1.2 into volume हमको calculate करा है. 1.2 into 4190.47. This multiplying giving us 5028.56 kg. So this is the mass of the balloon. Now we have to calculate the mass of the air. Right? Mass of the balloon हमारे पास आ गया. अब mass of we have to calculate first of all helium उसके अंदर भरिए. That is what they saying in the question. Let's say कि a balloon diameter 100 kg calculate filled with helium. They have given us helium over here. So we have to calculate the mass of helium. What is going to be the mass of helium? What is the atomic mass of helium? 4 ही होती है ना atomic mass of helium. तो अगर 4 उसकी atomic mass है and we have number of moles of helium we will calculate first. So we have number of moles of helium that is given to be weight upon molar mass. यही आएगा. ठीक है? अदरवाइज हम नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमको वेट नहीं दे रखा है. सो वी विल टेक द आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन PV is equal to nRT. Number of moles that becomes equal to PV upon RT. ठीक है? Now what is the pressure given to us over here? Pressure given to us is 1. And volume we have calculated over here 4190.47. Value of R given to us is 0.082 in the question and the temperature given to us is how much? 27 degrees Celsius. So that is 300. So number of moles जब आप इससे calculate करोगे they are coming to 170344. These are the number of moles. Or this can be written as 1.7 into 10 raised to power 12345. These are the number of moles of this thing. Now let's put over here Number of moles given to us is how much? 1.7 into 10 raised to power 5. Molar mass of helium is 4. That is equal to W. ठीक है? So जब हम इसका मास कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? 4 7s are 28, 4 1s are 4, 6. ठीक है, ये आ जाता है। या अगर आप उसको पूरा भी लोगे, even then you can calculate the weight over here. You multiply that with 4. If you're not converting it into scientific notations. Now the mass of helium, that if you're multiplying this by 4, then mass of helium that is coming to 681.376 kg. And what are we getting over here? Almost the same. ठीक है? So 681.376 kg, that is going to be the weight of helium. Clear? अब यहाँ पे जब हम लोग weight of helium हमारे पास आ गया और हमारे पास यहाँ पे mass भी आ गया, what is going to be the payload now? Mass of the filled balloon you have to calculate first. What is the mass of the filled balloon? That is going to be the mass of the balloon, which is given as 100 kg plus the mass of helium in it. So 100 plus 681.376. This is going to come to 781.376 kg. Then what is payload? Payload, that is going to be equal to mass of air displaced minus mass of the filled balloon. So mass of air displaced हमने कितनी कैलकुलेट करी थी? 5028.56. Right? So payload that is defined as mass of air displaced, which is 5028.56 minus mass of the balloon, which is 781.376. Right? So when we calculate this, the answer is coming to 4247.184. This is going to be the payload. So this is how we calculate the questions of payload. Let's see once again, because this is a little lengthier question. First of all, you have to calculate the volume of the balloon. Radius will be given to you. From the volume and the density, we calculate the mass of the displaced air. ठीक है? Then we need to calculate the mass of the balloon. So mass of the balloon के लिए हमको mass balloon का पता होना चाहिए और plus जितनी हमने उसमें गैस डाली है, total mass we should know. So यहाँ पे we will calculate the mass of helium. For that we need to calculate the number of moles of helium, which we have calculated by this method. ठीक है? So ये आ जाएगा इतना हमारे पास 170344 और उसको हमने मास हमारे पास ये वेट कितना आ गया फिर नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इनटू 4 बिकॉज़ द मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ हीलियम इज 4. ठीक है? So this comes to 6.8 into 10 raised to power 5, or if you are calculating multiplying this by 4, we are getting 681.376. ठीक है? क्लियर हो गया? Now over here यहाँ पे ना इसको उसमें करो kg में करेंगे कन्वर्ट. ठीक है? So when we get this, mass of the filled balloon will be what? The mass of the balloon plus mass of helium which we have put in it. So mass of helium is 681.376. ये आ गया ये, और फिर उसका payload is mass of the displaced air minus mass of the balloon. So that is how we calculate the payload. Right? Then let's go to the next question, question number 7. What is question number 7? The density of a gas is 0.259 grams per liter at 400 Kelvin and 190 torr. Find its molar mass. So this is easy. First of all, let's convert 760 torr in atmosphere. So 760 torr, that is going to be equal to 1 atmosphere. ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे अगर 760 torr 1 atmosphere है तो they have given us 190 torr. 190 torr will be equal to how much? One 190 upon 760. ठीक है? So this is how we are converting it into atmosphere. इसको ऐसे रहने देते हैं without calculating. Now we know that pressure is equal to density upon mass into R into T. The pressure given to us over here is 190 upon 760. Density that is given to us is how much? 0.259. The value of R which we are going to take over here is 0.0821. And what is the temperature given to us? Temperature given to us is 400 Kelvin. So into 400 upon M. So M क्या आ जाएगा? M is equal to 0.259 into 0.082 into 400 into 760 upon 190. So when we calculate this, it comes to 3.02 grams per mole. Okay, so today we discussed only till here 7 questions. We have 23 questions in this assignment, which we will now discuss in the next class. Okay.